Alright, so something came in the mail today, and I think it is my camera. I mean, it is from Canada, so let's see. I'm going to do an unboxing and a first impression kind of video here. Cut that paper right in half. I need this. Okay. I mean, this package came fairly quickly. Yes, so it's my camera and my lens. So I guess we get a double 2-in-1 deal here. I'm surprised. I ordered my memory card from where was it? Newegg, and it hasn't even come in yet. It's really surprising. And I ordered it the same day. Alright. Right on. Okay. So here we have the D700. Nice. Warranty information. Too bad it's Canadian. Here we go. This is the body. This is a beast compared to the D90. Sweet. Okay. It feels rugged. It feels very, very good in my hands right now. It feels heavy. Not heavy, but you know, like sturdy heavy. Let's see what else we have in here. Have the charger. The strap. Need me a strap for sure. This is very important for me. Video cable, USB cable, charger cable, and battery. You're gonna need the battery. And I'm sure there's other stuff in here, like little quick reference guides, CD installation, Spanish, English, manual and stuff. We'll get to that later, I guess. Let's give this a little pop in. Alrighty. We got no memory card now, but that should be coming in a few, maybe tomorrow, maybe even today, who knows. Well, I tell you what, that express shipping was pretty express, I'm not gonna lie. I was like, ordered it earlier. I ordered it like on Wednesday or something, and today's Friday. It came in 2 days, and it was free. Free shipping. eBay, man. eBay's where it's at. Alright, here's my Nikon 24-70mm 2.8 lens. Oh man, this thing is such a beast. I'm gonna be so happy with it, I have a feeling. Even comes with a strap. Oh, it comes with a nice carrying case. Holy smokes, this is as big as some of the camera cases you see. Alright, sorry that video got cut off, but we stopped here. Yeah, it came with this nice looking case. Pretty big. I don't know if I'm gonna carry that around with me, but has a nice lens hood. Flips on just like that. Looks pretty solid. Has a little release button. Comes right off. Looks good. Gonna have to grab me a filter. I didn't do that yet. My bad. Let's see. It feels good. It feels in the hand. It feels solid. Yet it doesn't feel like it's too heavy. A lot of people I heard online about reading about this lens. They felt that it was too heavy. Like they couldn't go through the day. You know, like the whole day shooting, and they thought they'd get carpal tunnel or something. I think this lens is maybe even lighter than the 17 to 55 2.8 DX lens that I would shoot oftentimes with. And after you know, a day or full day with that lens, it gets tiring on you. But this doesn't seem like it would be that heavy, but it does feel very solid. Let's see how does it feel on the DX or on the D700 body. And I gotta say, it feels good. Not gonna lie, it doesn't feel that heavy altogether, actually, which is a surprise. I thought it would be a lot heavier, but you know, this is actually feels really comfortable. I could probably do this all day, you know. Yeah, I mean, I'll tell you about the pictures and stuff later. I mean, check out my blog and see. Once my compact flash card comes in, then I'll definitely be taking a few pics. I was surprised. I have a wedding on Saturday I have to shoot, and I did not think this was going to come in by Sunday. I mean, I did not think it was going to come in by Sunday, but it actually did. So hey, who knows? If I get my compact flash card, I'll be shooting with this thing for Sunday's wedding. But yeah, so that's the gist of it. I mean, let's go over, I guess, well, I can't really do much with it. Well, let's see if we could take a few test shots without a compact flash card. Oh man, it's pretty wide. I'm not gonna... Oh, you can. It's a demo shot. Sweet. Where's the autofocus? Oh, I'm on P mode. Here we go. Jeez, I feel like a noob. I have to get used to this camera after, you know, after a little bit. Oh, okay, that's cool. This is cool. Anyway, just relax, okay? I'll get... Oh, that's how you change. Here we go. Manual. 8,000. Oh, this is video mode? Or not video mode, but... Oh, live view, that's what... Here we go. I'm like a first timer over here. My bad, guys. Single. There we go. My goodness. This lens is tight. Be sure to visit my blog at weddingphotographyrockford.com.